and welcome to the Times 50 Most Desirable Countdown. It's that time of the year when we tell you which stars have bagged the top spot on our desirability charts. Through regional polls conducted in 8 metro cities, Pune, Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Chandigarh, Kochi, Kolkata, Chennai and Hyderabad. The top 10 from each corner of the country are then shortlisted from your valuable votes on www.timesofindia.com. And then with the most authentic and thoroughly researched list, we get you this much-loved countdown which showcases some of the biggest names in the world of entertainment. तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं उन faces से जो है already in our hearts etched as the ones who are forever desirable. Evergreen charmer comes superstar Akshay Kumar. Time and again, Akshay ने अपना talent दिखाया in just about every sphere of Bollywood. चाहे aggressive action sequences हो, soft and mellow romance हो, या फिर light-hearted and breezy comic roles, अक्षय की screen presence उन्हें रखती है always hit among his fans. मचाते बॉलीवुड में दंगल with every release. आमिर खान है forever loved and forever desirable. अपनी versatility से ठगते पूरे हिंदुस्तान को. It's Aamir Khan always raising the bar and loved कयामत से कयामत तक on forever desirable. While fans wait to see him co-starring Kareena Kapoor Khan in Lal Singh Chaddha, let's move on to the next star on this list. बॉलीवुड के राधे योर मोस्ट वांटेड भाई सलमान खान है वो स्टार जिनकी डिजायरेबिलिटी को शब्दों में बयान कर पाना है इम्पॉसिबल. लव्ड टू द गैलेक्सीज एंड बैक, दबंग खान है इंडस्ट्री के मोस्ट सॉट आफ्टर स्टार विद अ बॉडी दैट डॉन्स, looks that kill and sex appeal unmatched. सलमान की एक झलक फ्रॉम हिज बालकनी के लिए इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं हजारों फैंस. इन गुड एंड इन बैड, सलमान रहते हैं desirable to the heavens and loved beyond measure. King of romance, fan following में रईस और स्टारडम के बाजीगर. शाहरुख खान है ageless, timeless and desired like a dream. शाहरुख की वो रोमांटिक अदाएं, that deep voice और उनके सिग्नेचर डायलॉग्स पर फिदा है हर जनरेशन. अपनी डिम्पल स्माइल और उन रोमांस भरी आई से ये बादशाह करते हैं रूल ऑल द हार्ट्स एंड बॉलीवुड टू. टॉलीवुड के मोस्ट लव्ड मेगा स्टार महेश बाबू की एवर ग्रोइंग मास अपील मेक्स हिम द हॉटेस्ट आइकन ऑन फॉरएवर डिजायरेबल. No countdown, no list, no ranking can contain the tall, handsome and talented superstar's desirability quotient. This makes Mahesh Babu a bright and welcome star in this list. The newest addition to this list of men who are forever etched in our hearts as the most desirable men is the hunkiest ever, handsome with a capital H and desirable with a capital D, Hrithik Roshan. Rightly so, Hrithik year after year feature करते हैं in the leading ranks of Asia's sexiest men. Look at those deep hazel green eyes, that ultimate He-Man physique, those otherworldly swift and smooth dance moves. कोई कैसे resist करे with a heavy-duty dose of talent and appeal? It's none other than the official superhero of Tinseltown, Hrithik Roshan. Desirable to the heavens and beyond on Forever Desirable. Now let's step into the Glamour Grand Prix to meet those oh so dazzling guys and gentlemen. 2019 के Times Most Desirable Men, hold your breath and put your hands together as I present to you the countdown from 50 to 26, जहां कुछ new faces है all set to steal your hearts away. The man who bagged the top spot in Chennai Times Most Desirable Men 2019's list is Siva Karthikeyan. This multifaceted actor, playback singer, producer, lyricist and television presenter who works in Tamil films is a new entrant on the national list of most desirable, dazzling on number 50.
Be yourself. நம்ம எல்லா இடத்துலையும் நம்மளா இருக்கிறது தான் பெஸ்ட் திங்னு நினைக்கிறேன் நான். அதான் அதுதான் பேசிக்னு நினைக்கிறேன். எல்லாருக்கும் எல்லா இடத்துலையும் அப்படி இருந்தால் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். அண்ட் நம்ம வெளியில் எவ்வளோ அழகாக இருக்கோன்றதை விட உள்ளே எவ்வளோ அழகாக காட்டுறது தான் ரொம்ப முக்கியம். அண்ட் அந்த அழகு தான், அந்த பியூட்டினஸ் தான் நிரந்தரம்.
The one who has topped the Kolkata Most Desirable Men's list of 2019. This humble, hard-working Royal Bengal tiger has a chivalrous side too. Last seen in this year's Bengali action thriller drama Asur, this actor at 39 hai all set to make a mark on number 49.
I'm very happy, proud and elated to become the most desirable man for the year 2019. Thank you Calcutta Times, thank you Times of India for this honor. It feels good to be desired. So recognition like this, it gives you the inspiration and it gives you the boost. In return of that, I can only assure you that I will work harder and put all my energy and enthusiasm involved to entertain you. So on that note, I must thank all my audience. They loved me, they trusted me and they kept voting. Thank you. Keep this love coming. Take care and stay good.
Much in news these days for his ongoing relationship with co-star Kriti Kharbanda. Pulkit Samrat is slowly growing in his career with some memorable roles and his attractive social media presence. Last seen in the multi-starrer Pagalpanti, Pulkit फिलहाल busy है making his presence felt virtually और साथ ही वो तैयारी भी कर रहे हैं for his next release हाथी मेरे साथी. Holding strong on number 48, Pulkit Samrat. छोटे पर्दे के बड़े स्टार है धीरज थूपर. This model turned actor became a household name जब वो दिखे प्रेम भारद्वाज के किरदार में in the telesoap opera ससुराल सिमर का और उसके बाद उन्होंने दिल जीते as Karan Luthra in कुंडली भाग्य. Last seen on reality shows as a host, Dheeraj had quite a hit on this list too, right on number 47. The man who has bagged the first rank in Ahmedabad Times Most Desirable Men 2019's list is Ronak Kamdar. This suave-looking Gujarati boy is an architect by profession and an actor by passion. Be it Gujarati films, theatre or web series, Ronak has definitely made his presence felt whenever he's on the screen. And here he is spreading smiles on our list too, on number 46.
Ahmedabad Times gave me this amazing surprise today morning. I was quite taken aback pleasantly, but it feels great.
Dripping with desirability, her reality TV turned small screen sensation Priyank Sharma. The guy who shot to instant fame with his participation in various reality shows like Roadies Rising, Splitsvilla 10 and Big Boss 11 has also become a regular on the list of Time's Most Desirable Men of 2019. A regular on television reality shows and web series, Priyank has entered our list on number 45 and is here to stay. This cute-looking rock star of Punjabi music industry is a regular on our list. A loved singer and actor, Jussie leaves a powerful impression on big and small screen alike. और इस unique mixture of innocent looks and amazing screen presence ने उन्हें बनाया है a hot favorite amongst his fans. So here he is, Jussie Gill on number 44 on Time's Most Desirable Men 2019's list. Here he is, someone who is impossible to miss. ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है कि कार्तिक गोयन का our very own Mohsin Khan. A smooth blend of good looks, magical allure and remarkable acting skills make him desirable to the core. Small screen ke Mr. Khan makes his stunning presence felt on number 43 on the Times Most Desirable Men's list this year. Along and be all eyes and ears क्योंकि up next है the craze that spreads like wildfire. Arjun Kanungo. With numbers like तू ना मेरा and वो बारिशें, अर्जुन एक बार फिर छा गए सबके दिलो दिमाग पर. Let's hear it for the very mesmerizing and uniquely blessed youth icon loved to the core. Arjun Kanungo on number 42. This Indian cricketer who plays for India in international cricket is a right-handed top-order batsman. His looks and dressing sense makes him a charming cricketer with a touch of beautiful cricketing shots. Hotness की इस marathon में कहाँ है वो faces who make your hearts race fast and faster? Well, they are right here and across this short break. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the Times 15 Most Desirable Men 2019. आप सोच रहे होंगे where and how is your favorite star faring on the desirability quotient? Well, you'll get to know that in just a bit. Filhal, let's meet the dashing dudes on ranks 40 to rank 26. A piping hot megastar from Mollywood. Nivin Pauly. Meet this man with a statement. Nivin है Malayalam cinema के top paid actor. From the lights, camera, action moments to those unwinding moments on the football ground. Nivin रखते हैं अपने fans को hooked and engaged. Mollywood का magnanimous youth icon, 35 and giving popularity to a whole new dimension. It's none other than Nivin Pauly on number 40. As Adil Khanna in the web series Made in Heaven, Jim Sarb looked every bit dashing and left a strong impression on his fans. His charming looks, tremendous acting skills, and choice of roles have made sure that he remains a favorite. And keeping his classy sex appeal alive, Jim has managed to make a place for him on this list too, right on number 39. Look who's shining bright as the sun on number 38. Sunny Kaushal. Sunny की intense dark brown eyes, वो mild stubble and a smile straight from his heart makes all the ladies fall in love with him at first sight. ये younger Kaushal brother है on the right path and all set to write his desirability saga on number 38. The terrific, new age daring college boy है this Punjabi gabru Tahir Raj Bhasin. Everyone loves to watch him excel. जब से ताहिर ने दी है वो amazing performance in Chichore as the athletic Derek. Real life में Tahir has a heart of gold and love for a healthy body. He is a jazz dancer. He loves mixed martial arts and dating too. Lo and behold women. Ye charmer with a twist head desirable on number 37. Recently seen as the winner of a Filmfare Award for Best Debut, Abhimanyu Dasani है that new age मर्द जिनको दर्द नहीं होता किसी भी किस्म के hard work से. Looks like this boy is here to stay and makes a starry appeal on number 36. Here's an actor girls and ladies totally want to flirt with. Ali is known for his offbeat portrayals. In real life, Ali is a glamster who carries fashion up his sleeve. और देते हैं some serious glamour goals to all the guys out there. करते fans को totally freak out with his downright desirable ways. It's Ali Fazal का बढ़ता fever on number 35. The on-screen student who became a huge crush for all his female fans instantly is Aditya Seal. He portrayed the role of Madhav Randhawa in Student of the Year 2 and has been on top of his game since then. Good looks के topper है ये actor और बना रहे हैं his place on this coveted list of desirable men, and rightly so, on number 34. Hailing from the capital city of India, New Delhi, this fascinating young man represented India at the Mr. Supranational Pageant 2019 in Poland. A roadies contestant, this lover of bikes and fitness is here on this list after bagging the 8th position in the international pageant. Varun hai a health freak, possessive about his gym, and a hard-working boy who is also an influencer. So let's cheer for this desirable dude on number 33.
Hi, this is Varun Verma, Mr. India Supranational, Mr. Supranational Asia 2019, and I would like to extend my thanks to the entire team of Times Group for helping me out throughout my journey and for nominating me in the list of India's most desirable men. I'm really excited, and it's indeed an honor to share the list with the most prominent personalities of the country. Thank you.
With acting in his DNA and desirability dripping from his looks, Ishaan hai the hot cake of B-Town. From his very first film Beyond the Clouds, Ishaan ne jeet liya a Filmfare Award as Best Debut Male and a whole lot of eyeballs. Seen in Dhadak as the Rajasthani lad in love, Ishaan ki presence filled many hearts and all the screens with tons of charisma. Infinitely cute and charming. It's Ishaan Khattar on number 32. A gorgeous gift from Gwalior to the glamour world. Heartthrob Harshvardhan Rane. Writing apna desirability saga and winning the much-deserved hype, it's Harshvardhan Rane on number 31. Tall, dark, desirable, and such a rare find. It's Rana Daggubati. In 2019, Rana was seen in the multi-starrer film Houseful 4, और उनका double role as a villain and then as a qawwali singer was portrayed by him like a true star. A weapon of mass destruction. This man is a star जिसको देखकर fans को होता है something. It's Rana Daggubati living up to the dream man image who is every bit desirable on number 30. He played the role of Shehzada Salim in Dastane-Mohabbat Salim Anarkali and then portrayed the somber and suave Abir Rajvansh in Ye Rishte Hai Pyar Ke. Shahir Sheikh rules the hearts of women of all ages. Once a lawyer by profession, he thankfully quit to become a full-time charmer on the small screen. Stylish and smoking hot, this complete man hai loved in India and beyond. We bring you Shahir Sheikh on number 29. The Indian national team's super batsman Manish Pandey hai a hot favourite amongst cricket game lovers. With his unbeatable winning score on the field to his stunning good looks off it, Manish has garnered a lot of love from not only his cricket enthusiastic fans but also a number of females who actually watch the game सिर्फ उनकी झलक देखने के लिए. So here's a dashing dude on number 28, Manish Pandey. Meet this young and dynamic charmer from Karnataka, Naveen Kumar Gowda, fondly known as Yash. Is Southern Star ki fame speeded like wildfire when Yash dikhe in the Kannada period action drama film KGF Chapter 1. 34 and standing 5 feet 11 inches tall on desirability, it's the brown-eyed charm of Yash setting some new horizons on number 27. The man made in India to win hearts and laurels. Prathamesh Maulinkar. पहले प्रथमेश ने जीता Mr. India Supranational 2018 and from there on there was no looking back. On the international platform, Prathamesh जीत लाए Mr. Supranational 2018 का coveted title और बन गए the first ever Asian winner. From Tivim in Goa, पूरे world को मिली such a delectable treat to the eyes when Prathamesh ने पहना the winning sash और passionately kiss किया उस coveted Mr. Supranational 2018 की trophy को. Drool on ladies उन eyes पर that are full of intrigue, उस prim and proper trend-setting bearded look पर. And to top it all, Prathamesh के meaningfully tattooed, well-built physique पर 100% loved and 200% desirable. It's Prathamesh Maulinkar on number 26.
Last year was very special since I was the reigning Mr. Supranational, and this year's special as well because I'm a part of Time's Most Desirable list once again. Big thank you to Mr. Vineet Jain and my whole Times of India family. And yes, thank you so much to every single one of you out there for voting me because it wouldn't have been possible without you all. Thank you so much.
Girls and ladies, boys and men, I'm sure you're too curious to know kaun hai wo men who are in the top 25 of this year's list. Well, all good things are worth the wait. Milenge with more and more desirable celebs of the year in our next episode. Until then, keep watching Zoom.